Sangothani bengalela into fasuthi TV lesilanda udaba lapha kwi-Daily Sun oloku labhala ngoKhuzani Mpungose idlamlenze kwenye ama-section lapha ke kuyo i-Daily Sun. I-link ethola ku-Facebook ithi le ndaba Khuzani Mpungose is receiving an outpouring of gifts for his traditional wedding in Nkandla KZN on Monday 15 December. Bathi sithombe bani ujabulani la. Le ndaba ifundeka kanje. Maskandi heavyweight Khuzani Mpungose is gearing up for what promises to be one of the biggest traditional weddings Mzansi has seen, and gifts are already pouring in. The Ijele and Injanoko hitmaker has been receiving cows, cash and blessings from friends, fans, and fellow artists as he prepares for his December 2025 Umabo and traditional ceremony. Uyoncenga Unyoko hitmaker uma Fikizolo added to the celebration by gifting Khuzani a cow. The 36-year-old musician proudly showed off the gift on social media, thanking the artist for the thoughtful gesture. I'd like to share the opportunity to thank Uma Fikizolo for the beef he has passed on me, and I will have a big event. He said he wanted to bring it live himself, but he sees that the time is running out, and he said it's better to send it. Thank you very much. Khuzani's highly anticipated wedding will take place on Monday, 15 December, in his hometown of Nkandla KZN, where he will tie the knot with his long-term partner. The ceremony is expected to be a major cultural celebration, drawing fans, community members, and high-profile guests. The star said the love he has been receiving has left him humbled. Gifts have been arriving one after another at his family home, and he has made it clear that he wants everyone to enjoy the feast. He plans to slaughter 20 cows for his guests. The generosity hasn't stopped at Kettles. Two supporters, Boni Ngubane and William Mchunu, surprised the musician with a cash contribution of 50,000 delivered with great respect and tradition. I'd like to take this opportunity to thank Boni Ngubane and William Mchunu, who came out of the blue and hit the ball and left 50,000. So much love shown to me by people of God. I say that I am in need of thousands of mouths, he wrote. With such overwhelming support, Khuzani's upcoming celebration is shaping up to be a massive cultural event filled with music, tradition, and community spirit. Daba libhalwe Sibonga Umenzi wakwaSibili. Hey, bayayibhala lezi ndaba zabo. Izinto engazwakali kodwa ke asikho ke lapho. Sibeka kakhulu lapha kwi-Daily Sun ukuthi ibhalele udaba lolu isafazela khona kodwa sikhuluma emalangeni lapha abantu abaningi befikile bezobongisa uKhuzani. Okuyisipheko ke lesi esiloku sitrend lapha ku Facebook. Okuningi kakhulu. Nge-15 kuzoba kunjalo ke kuzobe kucelebrate umcimbi zoba omkhulu, kuzobe kunabaculi abakhona futhi bezoperforma njengoba nibonile kwenye ke ama-video umuntu ayenzile. Qhubeke ke sibheke ukuthi kuzobe kuhamba kanjani. Sibonga nokuthi yena kupromise ukuthi kube indumezulu lo yomcimbi. Lenhlanganisela ezobe ikhona yodwendwe lizobe lapha eManda. Asazi ukuthi kuzohamba kanjani, abazobeyile ibona bazosibonela ngama-video azobe wenzile, kodwa kuthembisa ukuthi kuzobe kumnandi kakhulu. Ivideo sizoyibamba lapho bekunjalo nje sifundela lo double sithola kwi-Daily Sun lokhuluma ngaye ubani uKhuzani Mpungose. Nisalahle sizodibana okuzayo. Ngibonga ithuba.